Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install and use two Facebook accounts on your iOS device. If this is the first time here and you find value in this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot and it helps the channel to grow. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we start, let me show you how many Facebook apps I have installed on this device. To do that, let's go to the app library. On this side, let's tap here, App Library, and let's search here for Facebook. Let's scroll down, and you can see here that I have only one Facebook app installed on this device. Let's tap here to open, and you can see that this app is running. Now, let's install a second instance of this app on this device. To install a second Facebook app on this device, we are going to use the navigation browser. In this case, for this one, we are going to use the Safari browser, which is the default browser coming on all the iPhones. My Safari browser is on the second page, so I'm going to swipe to the second page. As you can see right here, I have my Safari browser. So I'm going to tap there, and right here at the address bar, I'm going to type Facebook. So you have there Facebook, I'm going to tap there. So this is going to open the Facebook web version. Now here, let's tap on this share icon. Then inside here, let's swipe it down until we see this option where we have add to home screen. So we're going to tap there. Here, let's give this app a name, and for easy understanding, I'm going to keep Facebook and just add there too. And then click add. Doing that will add the Facebook mobile web version to your home screen. As you can see, this is the app here. Now we have two. We have this one and we have this one. Let me drag this to the next page. And you can see here that I have this Facebook app and also have this one. This one is the one that we just installed. If we tap here on the first one, you can see that this one is working. Let's minimize this one. And if we tap on the second one, you can see here that once you click the second app, it will open the mobile web version of the Facebook. From here, you just have to put your credential and you will have your second account running on your iOS device. If you want to uninstall, what you have to do is just go to the app, which is this one here, tap and hold, and then tap here where you have delete bookmark. As you can see, this app is not actually a new installation but a bookmark from the web version. And to delete, you just have to click here on delete bookmark. You'll get this pop-up notification. Tap here on delete, and that will delete the bookmark from your iOS device. Well everyone, this is how you can install and use two Facebook accounts on your iPhone or any iOS device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget, give it a like, share it, and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to us and it helps the channel to grow. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.